If you're looking for an awesome, fun family game, you're going to want to check out Run. The brand did something like this so I could do this review. Absolutely love this. It is super, super fun. I actually have it all set up on the table. We just finished a game. So let's go over there and I'll walk you through it. All right, before I walk you through it, it comes with a great instruction book. It is so easy to learn this game. You can just go through here. It tells you what all the different cards are, how to keep score, the object of the game, and all that kind of stuff. So this is what it kind of looks like laid out right here. So everyone gets 3 cards and you get 3 of these chips. And then you have a draw pile and a discard pile right there. So what you're trying to do here is you flip these over. You'll see here you have positive and negative cards. So what I'd want to do here, I'd want to take this card right here, and then I'm going to put my negative card right over here, and then I'll go to the next person. You're not supposed to show other people your cards, and then you'll either lose one of these chips and you want to be one of the last people standing. Really fun, and if you do get kicked out, you could come back as a ghost, which is really nice. And if you wanted to shorten up the game, you could just only start with 2 of these or maybe 1 of these. And then this is kind of the different kind of cards you have here. You have a negative, you can be 0, 7, 3. Again, you want to try to get the highest score. And you have a switcheroo cards. Everyone has to switch cards. Baby bear card. This is probably the best card you could get because you choose who kind of goes out. And then you have all different other stuff. So if you're looking for a great, fun game to play with your family, your kids, your kids can play by themselves. Easy to understand. Can play it in about 15, 20, 30 minutes. Absolutely love this game and highly recommend it.